Death sentence for all four, orders Supreme Court in Nirbhaya gang rape case. The SI gave its final verdict on the death sentence given to the four convicts who appealed against the capital punishment awarded to them by the trial court in March 2014. 00-0001-4000-00-140 New Delhi, the Supreme Court (SC) on Friday has upheld the death penalty awarded to the four convicts in the Nirbhaya gang rape case that shook the nation on the night of December 16, 2012. The apex court gave its verdict on the death sentence given to the convicts, Mukesh, Pawan, Vinay Sharma and Akshay Kumar, who appealed in the apex court against the capital punishment awarded to them by the trial court and upheld by the Delhi High Court on March 13, 2014. A bench comprising of Justices Deepak Misra, Bhanumati and Ashok Bhushan read out the judgment. The apex court said, taking the serious injuries, the severe nature of offense committed by the convicts in consideration, we are upholding the sentence. Justice Mishra said, it was a devastating hour of darkness for the 23-year-old paramedic, Jyoti Singh. The victims' parts were ruptured to give vent to their sexual desires. Recollecting Nirbhaya, a crime that became the nation's grief, it was a brutal, diabolical, barbaric act. The entire intestine was perforated with insertion of rods and there were bite marks on the breast of the victim which shows the mental perversion of the accused, the apex court said in its judgment. She died due to sepsis which happened because of insertion of rod repeatedly. They had anal sex with her and forced her to have oral sex. This is humanly inconceivable. They only wanted to ravish her for their sadistic pleasure, the judgment read. It's a tsunami of shock in the minds of the collective and destroyed humanity. Death for all four. Compelled to arrive aggravating circumstances, outlived the mitigating circumstances, he said. Nature and manner of the crime devastated social trust. It falls in rarest of rare category, warranting death penalty, read the judgment. It's a victory for my family. I am very happy with the judgment, said the father of the victim. While the defending lawyer A.P. Singh said, justice is not done, we will file review petition after reading the order. Nirbhaya effect. Tourist inflow rises, but dip in growth of women arrivals just to send a message in the society, you cannot hang somebody. Travesty of human rights, he said. The order was read out in front of the family members of the victim present in the court. Earlier today, victim Jyoti Singh's mother said that, they hope justice is given to their daughter. We have faith in the judicial system but the verdict should have been announced long ago. On the night of December 16, 2012, in a case that evoked anger across the nation. 6 people gang-raped the 23-year-old in a moving bus and used an iron rod to inflict gruesome internal and external injuries on her, which she succumbed to on December 29. Her friend was assaulted as well, and the convicts then tried to run both of them over with the bus. The prime accused in the case, Ram Singh, allegedly committed suicide in Tihar jail in March 2013, while the teenager involved was sent to a juvenile correction facility and was released in 2015. 4 years after outrage, India's Nirbhaya is still unsafe. The Delhi police appealed for a death sentence for the men involved, on the basis that the extreme cruelty with which they acted made the case rarest of the rare. The defense counsel, however, appealed for leniency on the grounds of their poor background and relatively young age. Ahead of the verdict in a landmark case, the victim's mother said, we have faith in judicial system but it should not have taken so long. Giving a sentence is not the punishment, those men should be hanged, then only it is justice for me, said the victim's father. By Taboola sponsored links promoted links You may like Amazon e-commerce workshop, attend $297 e-commerce training for free. Register now. Amazon e-commerce workshop Undev Straits Timesman whose body odor diverted plane has Dev Straits Times in the state of gadgets. Everyone in Central is talking about this mini air cooler state of gadgets. Unda bankbazaar.sg. Apply for a credit card on bankbazaar.sg and get shopping vouchers worth up to $100 on approval. Bankbazaar.sg. Undo breeze in a box Shock Singapore uses water to cool the air. Read more. Breeze in a Box No Vikings, free online game if you're over 30 and own a computer. This game is a must-have. Vikings, free online game. Undo.